Hey guys, Stanley King here from Las Vegas, Nevada, doing a visit down to Coffee Blue in Guatemala. So our friend in Guatemala was always giving us bags of coffee and it said Coffee Blue on it. We finally asked him, so where are you getting this coffee? And he said, I make it myself. And I knew it was an excellent cup of coffee, but I didn't realize what he was doing to make his coffee so good. This is a very impressive guy. He's quite an entrepreneur. He set up this artisanal operation here in kind of the side streets of Guatemala City. He went and bought his own roasting equipment. He's got his own bagging equipment. He does everything in this facility. But this guy is a genius with blending coffees. What he's doing is he's taking 4 different types of coffees and he's blending them together. He's basically kind of like a mad scientist, if you will. Here we are tasting them all, but when you think about it, what he is just like a craft brewer of beer. The wineries are doing that as well now with the different blends, making beautiful blends out of different types of grapes from different regions. But that's what he's doing. He's taking coffees with more robust flavors or more acidity, less acidity, whatever it is, and he's as well toasting them in he has an exact method how he's doing each coffee, but his main one again is Coffee Blue. Incredible. So you'll see the website on this video. You're also able, at the end of this video, there will be a QR code. You can just scan that. It'll bring you right to his website. You can buy his coffee direct. He'll ship it worldwide, no problem. He's able to do up to 900 bags of this coffee per day right now out of this facility. All right, guys. Well, look at this. I'm going to enjoy my cup of Coffee Blue. I hope you get to experience this as well. Quite an impressive operation. Coffee Blue, Guatemala. Enjoy it.